This is the video guide about getting rid of Robotornotcheckonline.club pop-up windows. As you can clearly see, these pop-ups display pretty misleading information telling that you need to press allow to verify that you are not a robot. But these pop-ups are similar to many other faulty messages that state exactly the same information. On the other hand, clicking on allow button is a real mistake that will lead to browser hijacking. You may be redirected to a lot of junk pages like this, similar pages that try to encourage you into clicking on some buttons, and the result of such activity is that you will be getting forwarded to a lot of malicious pages in the internet. You may eventually end up facing your computer to be full of malware, adware, browser hijackers, and so on. So if you have clicked on allow button, your browser will be having some unusual behavior. Let's fix the issue manually. Go to the menu, click on settings, then site settings and choose notifications. In the allow area, you need to find this Robotornotcheckonline.club pop-ups. Click on this button and remove this site from the list. And after that is done, I would also recommend you to double check your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. As soon as the software is downloaded, wait until it updates the database and click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free analysis of your Mac computer will begin. Dear customers, so this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. In my case, this program is in the premium mode, but of course initially it will be provided in the trial mode. There are some absolutely free features to use. They are disk cleaner, big files and duplicates, and the antivirus is the part of the premium license only. But even in the trial mode, the antivirus function helps you to review results. So click on review results, and each specific report will contain the location of each threat, malware or adware or browser hijacker, and you'll be able to click on the Show in Finder button and get rid of a specific threat and its location in the manual way. So move it to the trash, each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider obtaining the premium license to get rid of these threats in the automatic manner. Thanks for watching.